Relax your body. You're going to dive deep into sleep just like a sinking ship. Just keep in mind what I told you to dream. Take a long breath. Now, when I say my magic word, you'll fall asleep and start dreaming as an obedient kid. Icus ferus halibus.
I'm sorry, sir. I think I have been out for too long.
Not exactly. I was about to finish my second song.
Six and a half minutes to be exact. But sir, it felt too deep and too low.
Well, that's why you're here, I think. So, what did you dream of?
Sir, I dreamt of a leopard and rabbit. Leopard was racing towards rabbit, but rabbit stood still, as if it had just accepted its fate, and it was just standing like an ice. Still, there was shine of innocence in his eyes. I don't know, some weird kind of feeling like that. Sir, but what exactly you tell me to know?
About that beautiful leopard hanging on my wall. Anyways, I wanted you to dream of something little more pleasant.
Sir, but it was a horse. Don't you remember?
No, it's never a horse.
Sir, this is happening. This is happening. This is what happens to me. How should I convince you? I had an effective dream and it changed the present. It was a horse there. It was always a horse. But I dreamt of a leopard. And then now it's leopard there. It changed the present, sir.
Listen, relax. Neither I see a rabbit nor I see a leopard hiding inside my room. So your fear, your thought that whatever you dream of is coming true is not true at all. Now if you ask me whether this is happening anywhere in this world, well maybe yes, but I call it a coincidence. See, I found my soulmate in a leopard safari, that's why that leopard is there. There's no more meaning attached to it. It's always been a leopard. There's no scenario for a horse being there, never ever.
But sir, when you told me to dream about the horse, I was more intimidated by the leopard than inspired by the horse. So I ended up in dreaming about the leopard. And it changed everything. The picture, it changed. It changed to suit my dream with minimum contradictions. In order to minimize the entropy caused by my dream.
Entropy? Really? You watch a lot of science fiction movies, I guess.
Okay, wait. Ramu?
Can you please come? Sir is feeling a bit dizzy after our first session.
Ramu, has anything changed about this room after today morning?
Today? It's just the exact same as it was same years before when I joined. Not even the same magic word that you ever chant. That fancy scientific name.
That would be all, Ramu. Thank you. To see all this has become a part of me. Painting, this table, round, everything on this universe is a part of me. Similarly, you have made your fear a part of your life. Even though you're strong enough to take it out, you are not able to because you hesitate.
Sir, it's not just fear. How can I tell you? I feel it. And I feel hopeless and helpless.
That rabbit is a synonym of your mind. It's a reflection of your subconscious mind. Since you could not complete your dream, you woke up early. Let me complete that dream for you. Suddenly, in front of that rabbit, a mighty horse appears, and it takes that rabbit to safety. Are you satisfied now?
Sir, look. You have a picture of a leopard in you. Because you like leopards. From your talks now, it seems that you like houses. Now you tell me how this is happening.
No. Wait. I agree that picture of a mighty horse might very well suit my own, but well, it's never been that way. It's always been a leopard.
Are you sure, sir?
Yeah, absolutely. It's always been a leopard.
Where was that moment of pause? You remember that one? You remember everything? But are you the leopard?
No. Why would you say that? Why would I be the leopard? I would suggest if you're ready, let's go for a second round. Let's go for one more round of this dream.
Sir, without me, you bring me close. No, please, I'm ready.
Okay, listen, relax. Don't jump to conclusions, just relax. Take a long breathe. And this time, dream about something beautiful, something good. Birds flying, sunset, sunrise, butterflies, flowers, anything. So when I say my magic words, you will fall asleep and behave like an obedient kid. Fellas,